Alright, y'all. This is how I made $2,000 in the stock market today. 1K across both accounts. So today we had. I just got done trading. I literally got out of my position like right before fucking news hit. Today we had Powell speaks. The Fed chair. Wait, yeah, we have Powell speaks. Yeah, we just had it right now, and bro, oh my gosh, look at this shit. It's about 300 fucking points. But alright, come into today's market. I was still bullish. I mean bearish for the day, just cause I was bearish, just cause we've been on a huge, bearish trend lately. I was keeping this 4 hour gap in mind. Looks like we just tapped into it with the news. We also had this order block that we had tapped into and continued down, rejected down. We had this gap right here that we had been rejecting off of for like the past 2 days, I think, or day. All right, coming into market open, we had already taken out New York PM and Asia session highs, and London highs. So I was pretty bearish. Let me see. Yeah, I was pretty bearish. I wanted to see this changing state right here, and we did get that. So I dropped down to a lower time frame. Alright, so I don't think you can really see. Alright, but right here we had a 5 minute gap. It's a little gap. We inversed it. We had a changing state. Dropped down to a lower time frame. I took 2 trades actually. My first trade was. Oh yeah, my first trade was. I think this was news or something. No, this was. Yeah, this was news as well. We tapped into an hourly gap imbalance. And then we had a change in state. I got in like right here. Then I was targeting. I got out of it early just cause. I didn't mean to. I didn't mean to get out of it early, but I was aiming for an hourly high time for Peter Ray, and I got like it canceled me out because I had tried putting like a stop loss or whatever, but I guess it canceled out like the whole order. So I got like 600 on 600 on those trades. That's 1.2. But then I tried re-entering it, but then we obviously came back down. I had like a 10 point stop or whatever, just because I tried like getting right back into it, which was my mistake. But I ended up losing like 500 on that. So I was still up on the day. I was just looking for. I was gonna hop off the charts, but I had seen something else here. Oh yeah. After we had swept, we had made an SMT on ES. So I saw this inversion right here, and then I saw this change in state, and then I targeted these lows right here, and I can show you guys. Boom, right there. Yeah, we had a change in state. I targeted these lows, a quick 1 to 3, and literally as soon as I got out, like it was 9:58, and then boom, like we just fucking skyrocketed up there, which was crazy. But as you can see, we had a SMT. Oh yeah, we had a previous SMT right here. Then we also had a SMT up here.
The market is open.
But yeah, that's pretty much it. Look at this news. If I hadn't gotten out when I did, or I mean, I wouldn't have lost as much money, but because my shits were at break even. But yeah, look at this, bro. Whoever was in a trade and didn't have stop loss got fucking raped today. But yeah, some things I could have done better today. Just be more patient, like always. I feel like I saw the setup so clearly, so I took it, knowing we were bearish. And then over here, I took this knowing like we had. I basically saw my confluences. I followed my rules. We tapped into a liquidity zone. We had an inversion, CISD, and then we also had a SMT. And then that led me to believe we were gonna keep going up. So I entered, and then coming into this trade, we had an inversion as well, CISD. On ES, we were already going down again. I knew we were gonna try and take out these lows before going back up, and this was also like I think this was I forgot this line what this line was, but it was something. I just can't remember right now. Or actually, no. This was just my target. This low was just my target, just because I knew like I don't think we were gonna tap right back into this fair value gap. But yeah, I ended up taking two trades up on the day. Yeah.